Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how we can set up our integrated development environment for Python development. Without delaying, let's get started. Open any browser, download Visual Studio Code, open the Visual Studio site and download the system installer. I have already downloaded it, so I'll directly go to my download folder and then run the setup. I'll accept the agreement and click on next. I'll check all the boxes and click on next and then click on install. Once the installation is completed, you can click on finish. This will launch your Visual Studio Code. So here you can see how your Visual Studio interface will look like. One more step we need to do. We need to click on extensions icon here and then install Python extension pack. So this is the Python extension pack. I have already installed it. So it is not showing me the install icon. When you are doing it first time, you will see the install icon like this. You can click on install icon and then your Python extension pack will be installed in your Visual Studio Code installation. So this is it. This is how you can set up your IDE for Python development. If you have found this video useful, then please like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.